Alrighty, happy Saturday to you. We've got a pretty nice day. There's that chance for the sprinkles today, but it looks like a lot of it is going to be well to the north, and most of it should remain functionally dry. There might be a few stray sprinkles. So if you got that game, the baseball game or the soccer game or whatever, or you're trying to go 18 holes of golf or whatever you're doing, I'd be ready for a sprinkle, but it looks like it's not going to go down. I'm going to start here with this. This was interesting. This was up in Lemoore, California, right in the Central Valley. This is Kelly Slater's wave pool, right? They call it the Surf Ranch. And this is a couple years ago now, but this thing is awesome. It says this is a railroad track basically, and there's a big train that runs along it. They back it up and then they winch it back, and as the train pushes forward, it's got like a plow in front of it, and it pushes up this awesome. It is a pretty awesome wave, actually. Let me see if I can move this here. Do this. And I think I can go forward here. Yeah. So, and the thing that's interesting, the thing that's odd is you're like, well, that doesn't look like, it looks like you're in some river in the Amazon because the water is so murky. But what happened was the ranch was pretty new at the time, and they have a lining. And again, this is up in the Central Valley, just outside of Lemoore. So the lining got ripped. And so every time the wave would come in, it would stir up the water, and you're getting all this sediment coming into it. They've since fixed that problem, but the thing about this thing is it's a lot bigger wave than you think it is. Like that's not giant, but it's pretty powerful. It pushes a lot of water, and it's pretty shallow. But if you ever get a chance, that's a fun thing. It's weirdly expensive. I mean, it's not something you do. You got to get a bunch of people with a bunch of money, but it's pretty fun. Okay, so on to weather. Let's see if I can find here we go. Okay, so you can see the Bay Area right here, I hope. This is the visible satellite. I love it because it's awesome. And you can see this is right now. So it depends when you're watching. This 11:30 a.m. You can see what's going on. You can see high filtered clouds. You see this line right here? That is the weakened front that's trying to go through and bring some sprinkles. This is actually a weak frontal system. The dynamics are up north. And so they'll get rain up in Redding and showers and what have you. But for us, we're just looking at light scattered sprinkles. This is valley fog down around, it looks like it's down around San Luis Obispo in that area. And you can kind of tell by the way it settles into that valley. And then this is snowpack, right? You can see a lot of snowpack. Yesterday, we could actually see Mount Shasta on the visible because it was so clear. All right, so this is the model for today. This is right about now, I'd say. Let me move it forward. We'll toggle here. So there is this afternoon. I mean, look at that, right? Don't change your plan. So I'll back it up again. So this is what everybody's calling for rain. That's it. And this is a GFS. Doesn't mean it's always right, but it's pretty good approximation what will happen. Then we get a break, and then notice the lines are getting closer together. Those are your surface isobars. So it looks windy, right? Especially north of us. And you see this system coming in. This is going to be for Sunday afternoon. And by Sunday afternoon, showers in the North Bay. And by Sunday early evening, showers for the rest of us into Monday morning. So that's that. And then here comes another system. Same thing, just kind of drive-by brush systems, not really direct hits, all dynamics further to the north. And then this is on Tuesday. And then a little bit of a break. And then see the isobars? Look how they kink. That's an offshore flow. So if you're a surfer and you're watching this, you know what that means, right? That's good for the waves, good offshore. It also means warm. Temperatures should be pretty warm on those days as we get into, what is this? This is on Thursday and probably into Friday as well. Okay, so let's take a look at another model. That's the GFS. This is the North American model, which is just going to show us the same thing. It's going to show, and we look at all sorts of kinds of models, but that's what it does with Saturday. I mean, it just blows nothing. So not much in the way. Both models agree on today. And then they both kind of agree on Sunday, except this is a little further south with the dynamics. Sunday looks wet for sure, but most of the dynamics are further north. It's not going to be a big wet event unless you're far north, like maybe up towards Gordonville, somewhere like that. And so the radar, again, you can pick out if you look hard, you can pick out what is that? Oh, the wind farm out in Rio Vista, and then the wind farm out in Altamont. So there's that. Looks like we're pretty dry. And so it's going to be a nice weekend. I saw this at the beach a while back. I love that. I mean, what a great sand art is. That's awesome, right? Okay, I hope you're having a nice day. We'll get back on. I don't think I'm going to do anything tomorrow, but we'll get back on this on Monday. Okay, thanks for watching. Tell a friend.